In this video from Device Doctor, we show you how to replace the rollers in your HP LaserJet Enterprise M607 and similar models in just a few easy steps.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, we have the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607 printer in the footage. We are going to replace its rollers because the old rollers are worn out and no longer work properly. This is a professional video that shows you in the simplest way possible how to replace the rollers. You will be able to change the rollers easily and quickly without wasting your time. Of course, you will need a new pair of rollers. As you can see, these rollers are also compatible with several other models. In the first step, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from it. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to completely remove the electrical current inside the printer. Now, rotate the printer and open its back cover. In the second step, we will remove the old rollers. It is very simple, but you need to pay attention to the video. Now, to remove the rollers, you will need the roller holders, which are included in the box with the new rollers. As you can see, it is very simple and easy. Just be careful not to damage the printer. Now it is time to remove the upper roller. You need to take it out as well. Remember, you should slightly move the paper tray forward to easily access the rollers. Remove the second roller, using its special holder as well. Now install the new roller with its holder. Now, place the lower roller in its position in the same way. In the final step, you should test the printer to make sure it works properly and without any issues. Testing after completing the work is one of the most important steps. Be patient and, as shown in our video, print a test page. If there are no printing issues, to ensure the rollers work correctly, it is better to print a larger batch of 20 to 30 pages. When the printer is ready, go to the Reports option and select Supply Status to print a test page. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you replace the rollers in your HP LaserJet Enterprise M607 and similar models. By following these instructions, you can save time, avoid unnecessary costs, and keep your printer running smoothly. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.